Now then, where are we? Tomorrow I'm heading on a wild camp, the first one I've ever done, and I'm going to make a brief video showing what I'm going to take and the weight of my backpack. Now obviously I'm an inexperienced wild camper, although I have watched a lot of YouTube videos. It's the first time I've done it on my own. I'm going to make mistakes, but I'm going to give you a list of the things I'm taking, and I will put the weight at the top of the screen. The first thing will be my backpack, 1,400 grams. Secondly is my Optimus X-Lite Nomad Solo tent. The weight of the tent pegs and the poles is 1,800 grams. So we'll add that to the total above. The next item is my Optimus Ultra Firm sleeping pad, which weighs 800 grams. The next item is my Optimus Quilt, 800 grams. This little bag weighs 300 grams. This is a little bit of extra clothing, a pair of socks, an extra t-shirt and a thin top for night time if it gets a little bit cooler. This is my little table. I've took the legs off to save a little bit of weight. This weighs 100 grams. I can put on the floor in my tent, put my Jetboil on. Here is my OEX Jetboil with the gas, weighs 650 grams. The next item is this Hillington pump and torch, 150 grams. To pump up my sleeping pad and also act as a light for the tent. I've got a small medical kit, 100 grams. A few plasters in case you get blisters, a little bit of sun cream, and a few wipes and things like that. Here is a battery pack, a few batteries for my camera and my GoPro, a small clamp so I can attach my mobile phone and watch that, some headphones, cleaning cloths, a little puffer to clean my camera, 350 grams. The next item is my little food bag. In here I've got some lighters, some hand wipes, a small silicone cup, some coffee, some bars, energy bars, some porridge sachets, cappuccinos, a small knife, some spoons, a couple of apples, a pot noodle and a protein pudding which I will freeze. The total weight of this food is 800 grams. This is from walking up to camp and this will be for cooking. That will do me just for one night. The total weight of this water is 1,300 grams. If we need any water, my mate Sharpie has got a water filter. Power bank and my GoPro 12. The total combined weight is 500 grams. I can remove the GoPro from this, which I will use as I'm walking around, put the small clamp on in my tent, attach my mobile phone so I can watch some TV, video, YouTube, whatever. 500 grams. I've got an extra power bank, 200 grams. My filter pack, the number of filters, 150 grams. My carbon fibre tripod, 800 grams, and finally my Sony A7 III, which weighs 1,100 grams, with a 28 to 70mm lens and an L bracket which allows me to quickly connect to the tripod. So total weight, we're above. What do you think? Can I lose some weight? Everything should be fine. I've had a couple of test runs, and with this weight we should be able to manage. If you've got any suggestions, can you leave them in the comments below? I'm new to this. You might say, what are you doing that for? What have you got that for? Why don't you do this? Why don't you do that? All suggestions are welcome. So thanks for watching, and I will show you the equipment. If you watch the next video with the tent, the sleep system, everything, I will make a video showing everything in full working order, hopefully. So until whenever and wherever, thanks for watching this little video. Over and out. Oh, beautiful.